The freelancing revolution has completely changed the way people work, earn, and live. Today, if you have a skill, you have the power to transform it into a sustainable, thriving online business. Gone are the days when you needed a traditional job to achieve financial success. Freelancing offers flexibility, freedom, and endless possibilities, no matter where you live or what your background is. But how can you stand out in a competitive market and turn your talents into a thriving business? Stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll share an insider tip that could skyrocket your freelancing success. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos filled with tips to help you grow your income and achieve your goals. 1. Identify your marketable skills. The first step to becoming a successful freelancer is to identify your marketable skills. Everyone has unique talents that can be turned into a service. Start by assessing your strengths. What are you good at? It could be writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, or even organizational skills like virtual assistants. Don't overlook soft skills either. Communication, problem solving, and adaptability are highly valued in many freelancing fields. Look at your hobbies and professional experiences for ideas. 2. Choose the right platform for your services. Choosing the right freelancing platform is essential to finding clients and showcasing your services. Popular platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Toptal cater to various industries and skill levels. If you're new to freelancing, Fiverr and Upwork are excellent starting points. These platforms allow you to create a profile, set your rates, and bid on projects. On Fiverr, you can create gigs that describe your services, while Upwork lets you pitch directly to clients. For specialized skills like programming or graphic design, niche platforms like 99 Designs or Toptal might be a better fit. A well-presented profile increases your chances of attracting quality clients. 3. Build a portfolio that stands out. Your portfolio is your most powerful marketing tool as a freelancer. It's the first thing clients look at to determine if you're a good fit for their project. If you're starting from scratch, create sample projects that showcase your skills. For example, if you're a graphic designer, design mock logos or flyers for imaginary brands. If you're a writer, write blog posts or articles on trending topics. Include any past work from volunteer projects, internships, or jobs that demonstrate your abilities. Testimonials from past clients or colleagues can also add credibility. Organize your portfolio in a way that's easy to navigate and visually appealing. Remember, a strong portfolio not only attracts clients but also justifies higher rates for your services. 4. Set competitive and fair pricing. Pricing your services appropriately is one of the biggest challenges freelancers face. Start by researching the rates for your niche and skill level. Look at what other freelancers with similar experience charge on your chosen platform. As a beginner, you might need to price slightly lower to attract your first clients, but avoid undervaluing your work. Communicate clearly about what your pricing includes, such as revisions or additional features. Over time, as you gain experience and build a strong reputation, you can increase your rates. Keep in mind that charging too little can hurt your credibility, while fair pricing shows clients that you're a professional who delivers quality work. 5. Master the art of client communication. Good communication is the backbone of freelancing success. From the initial inquiry to project completion, clear and professional communication builds trust and ensures smooth collaboration. When responding to potential clients, be prompt and courteous. Ask detailed questions to fully understand their needs and expectations. Once the project begins, provide regular updates and be open to feedback. If challenges arise, address them proactively and offer solutions. Polished communication not only leads to satisfied clients but also increases the likelihood of repeat business and positive reviews. Remember, happy clients are your best source of referrals. 6. Create a personal brand. Building a personal brand is one of the most effective ways to stand out in the freelancing world. Your brand is more than just your logo or tagline. It's how you present yourself and your services to potential clients. Develop a consistent image across all your online platforms, including your website. social media profiles, and freelancing platforms. Share valuable content related to your niche, such as tips, case studies, or industry insights, to position yourself as an expert. Your personal brand should communicate your unique value proposition and create a memorable impression. A strong brand not only attracts more clients, but also helps you build long-term relationships and establish credibility. 7. Expand and upgrade your skill set. The freelancing landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay ahead by expanding and upgrading your skills. Identify complementary skills that can enhance your current services. For example, if you're a web developer, learning UX design or SEO could make you more valuable to clients. Take advantage of online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare to gain new certifications or knowledge. Keeping your skills updated not only helps you stay relevant, but also allows you to charge higher rates. Clients are more likely to hire freelancers who demonstrate a commitment to professional growth and adaptability. 8. Network and build relationships. Freelancing doesn't mean working in isolation. Networking is a powerful way to grow your business and find new opportunities. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your industry. Participate in discussions, share your experiences, and connect with fellow freelancers. Collaboration with other freelancers can lead to referrals or joint projects. Additionally, maintaining strong relationships with past clients increases the likelihood of repeat work and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Building a network of contacts creates a support system and opens doors to new possibilities. 9. Deliver quality work consistently. Consistently delivering high-quality work is the cornerstone of a thriving freelancing business. Pay attention to detail, meet deadlines, and exceed client expectations whenever possible. Quality work not only earns you positive reviews, but also establishes your reputation as a reliable professional. Satisfied clients are more likely to hire you again and recommend your services to others. Make it a habit to seek feedback and use it to improve your processes. The more you prioritize quality, the more your freelancing career will grow organically. 10. Scale your freelancing business. Once you've established yourself as a successful freelancer, consider scaling your business to increase your income and impact. Offer additional services that complement your primary skills, or hire subcontractors to handle larger projects. Automate administrative tasks like invoicing, scheduling, and client communication using tools like QuickBooks or Trello. Scaling also involves focusing on building long-term relationships with high-value clients and creating recurring revenue streams. Freelancing offers endless possibilities, but success requires strategy, dedication, and constant growth. By turning your skills into a thriving online business, you can achieve financial freedom and a fulfilling career. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights on freelancing and growing your income. Take the first step today, and remember, your journey to freelancing success starts with action.